During my recent trip to my hometown Malvan, I took a small picnic to Pankhol Jua Island, which is a part of Malvan itself. It is a perfect example of how islands are natural workshops to human evolution. To visit this place, you need to reach the jetty, which is available at the Gad River at Hadi village. It is advisable that you see this island in early morning hours or around 4 o'clock prior to sunset so that you get a proper view of the island. A boat service available from the jetty at Hadi village takes you for as little as 10 rupees per head for a one-way trip to this island. The boatman Mr. Midbawkar has been operating this boat service for a very long time. या बेटाचं काय वैशिष्ट्य आहे?
चारी बाजूला खारं पाणी
हां
गोड विहीर आहे.
अच्छा. He mentioned that on all four sides of the island is a river which is salty and still there is sweet water on the island. Once you're on the boat, let the nature speak for itself. We were dropped to take a stroll of this tiny little island which would not take more than 40 minutes. Toddy making is one of the occupations here. काकी हे काय करताय?
हे झाडू बनवायचं.
झाडू बनवताय. कसल्या गवताची असते ती?
ही पाती माडाची.
अच्छा. हे तांदूळ आहेत का? अच्छा. As you can see, this island is yet untouched by any form of sophistication, no motor vehicles, no commercialism, just pure nature. It took us only about 40 minutes to stroll the substantial part of the island, and it indeed was a beautiful memory. We took a boat ride back with Mr. Midbawkar to the jetty point. Fish farming is yet another new occupation that has begun in this island. After a stroll on the island, we were quite starving, and that's why we took a stop by at the Achrekars Bhaji. They serve onion fritters, potato fritters, and also some batata vadas, which are the USPs of Malvani snacks. This is the most desired onion bhajia of Malvan. People come all the way around just to eat this. Absolutely scrumptious. So crunchy. Full of flavors, delicious. You must come here. Achrekars Bhajis, and they serve it with these fried chilies. Anybody who's a chili fan, you must try this. This is absolutely delicious. Back home, we had a delicious dinner made with mackerel fry, oyster masala, and some steamed rice. And thus it was a divine day spent.